How to fix Twitter notifications. So if you want to fix your Twitter notifications, then what you have to do is first you need to open up your Twitter application, or you can simply search for your Twitter application. So if you search for Twitter and if that doesn't show up, then you can search for X, because Twitter has changed its name from Twitter to X. So after searching for the application, now you can simply tap and hold on to the application for 2 to 3 seconds, and here you will have app info. Tap on app info, and now you will have notifications option. So if you want to fix your Twitter notifications, then simply tap on notifications, and now you can simply go and turn off your notifications, and that's it. That's how you fix your notifications. So that's how you turn off your Twitter notifications. And if you want to turn that on, then you can again toggle on that button and your notifications will be turned on. So that's it. That's how you fix your Twitter notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.